Hey guys! Our daily routines shape our lives. We wake up, we eat, we work, we sleep, and we repeat. But what if we told you that a simple tweak to your daily routine could unlock a range of health benefits? Enter the cold shower, a quick and easy way to invigorate your body and mind. Cold showers are more than just a way to wake up in the morning. They're a powerful tool for enhancing your physical and mental well-being. While the thought of stepping under a stream of cold water might seem daunting, the science-backed benefits are hard to ignore. Incorporating cold showers into your daily routine can lead to improved circulation, enhanced skin health, increased energy levels, a stronger immune system, and greater mental resilience. This essay will delve into the scientific evidence behind these benefits, providing you with the knowledge and motivation to give cold showers a try. Prepare to be surprised by the transformative power of cold water. You might just find that this simple habit becomes an integral part of your journey towards a healthier and happier you. Cold showers are like a workout for your circulatory system. When cold water hits your body, it causes your blood vessels to constrict, which helps to improve blood flow and circulation. This improved circulation brings with it a host of benefits, including reduced inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improved cardiovascular health. A study published in the journal PLOS One found that regular cold showers were associated with a significant decrease in blood pressure in people with hypertension. Improved circulation also means that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your cells more efficiently, which can boost your overall energy levels and enhance your body's natural healing processes. This is particularly beneficial for athletes or anyone recovering from an injury, as it can help to reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery time. So, next time you're feeling sluggish or your muscles are aching, consider taking a cold shower. It's a natural and effective way to get your blood pumping and improve your overall health. Cold showers aren't just good for your insides. They can also work wonders for your skin. Exposing your skin to cold water can help to tighten pores, reduce redness, and improve its overall appearance. Cold water helps to constrict blood vessels in the skin, which can reduce the appearance of pores and give your skin a smoother, more toned look. This is in contrast to hot water, which can strip the skin of its natural oils and lead to dryness and irritation. Moreover, cold showers can help to improve circulation to the skin, which can improve its tone and elasticity. This increased blood flow brings oxygen and nutrients to the skin cells, promoting a healthy, youthful glow. For those who suffer from skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis, cold showers may also provide some relief. The anti-inflammatory effects of cold water can help to soothe itchiness and reduce redness. Feeling tired and sluggish? Skip the extra cup of coffee and hop in a cold shower instead. The invigorating feeling of cold water on your skin can instantly make you feel more alert and energized. This surge of energy is not just in your head, it's backed by science. When cold water hits your body, it triggers a release of norepinephrine, a hormone and neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in our body's stress response, increasing alertness, focus, and energy levels. A study published in the journal Medical Hypotheses found that cold showers can be an effective treatment for fatigue, improving energy levels and reducing feelings of tiredness throughout the day. Participants who took cold showers regularly reported feeling more awake, alert, and energized compared to those who didn't. So, whether you're facing the mid-afternoon slump or need a boost before a workout, a cold shower can provide a natural and effective way to increase your energy levels and improve your mood. Section 5: Immunity on Guard. Regular cold showers may also strengthen your immune system, making you more resilient to common illnesses like colds and the flu. While more research is needed in this area, some studies suggest that cold water exposure can activate the body's natural defenses. One study found that individuals who took cold showers regularly had a higher count of white blood cells, which are the body's first line of defense against infections. The researchers theorized that the cold water exposure stimulated the production of these immune cells. Another potential mechanism is the activation of the lymphatic system, a critical part of the immune system that helps to remove toxins and waste products from the body. Cold showers are thought to stimulate lymphatic drainage, which can help to improve overall immune function. While more research is needed to fully understand the link between cold showers and immunity, The existing evidence suggests that incorporating this simple practice into your routine could potentially boost your body's natural defenses. Section 6. Mental Resilience Builder. The benefits of cold showers extend beyond the physical realm. They can also have a profound impact on your mental health and well-being. Cold showers are a form of stress-induced hormesis, a process where exposing your body to controlled amounts of stress can actually make it stronger and more resilient. When you take a cold shower, your body releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting and pain-relieving effects. These endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, can help to alleviate stress, reduce anxiety, and even improve symptoms of depression. Moreover, the mental discipline required to endure the initial discomfort of a cold shower can translate into other areas of your life. It can help you to build willpower, increase your tolerance for discomfort, and improve your ability to cope with challenges. Regular cold showers can be a valuable tool for improving your mental resilience, helping you to navigate the ups and downs of life with greater ease and resilience. Section 7. The cold, hard truth. While the benefits of cold showers are numerous, it's important to acknowledge that they're not a miracle cure-all. They're one element of a holistic approach to health and well-being that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. Moreover, cold showers may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. It's always best to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your routine, including incorporating cold showers. It's also important to start slowly and gradually acclimate your body to the cold. Begin by incorporating short bursts of cold water at the end of your regular warm shower, gradually increasing the duration and intensity as you become more comfortable. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard. If you experience any discomfort or adverse reactions, stop immediately and consult with a healthcare professional. Section 8. Take the plunge and transform your health. Incorporating cold showers into your daily routine might seem like a small change, but the science-backed benefits are anything but insignificant. From boosting circulation and improving skin health to amplifying energy levels and enhancing mental resilience, cold showers offer a natural and effective way to upgrade your physical and mental well-being. While the initial shock of cold water might take some getting used to, the invigorating and revitalizing effects are well worth the effort. Start slowly, listen to your body, and gradually increase the duration and intensity as you become more comfortable. You might be surprised by how quickly this simple habit becomes an integral part of your daily routine, leaving you feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer the day ahead. Take the plunge and experience the transformative power of cold showers for yourself. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.